adventurous and limitless.
Really even start. I got that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they.
What's up, y'all? Hey, how y'all doing? It's your girl Teewalkaa back at it again with my crusty ass. So today we're finally doing some makeup. I'm about to show y'all how to really catfish people. Okay, I'm about to show you because you see me right now, crusty, dusty, bestie. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm still cute, right? Okay, no, I'm really here to show you my everyday makeup routine. This look would be for, like, you know, when I go to work or when I get off of work, I'm going out, like I gotta do it super fast. Or just like when I don't really like want to do eyeshadow like that, like if I'm really just like trying to like be on some chill shit. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna really wash my face, prep my skin and everything. I just gotta, you know, prime. So primer that we use, Too Faced Hangover RX. We're gonna put this guy on here. I have the Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray, but I ran out, unfortunately, which sucks. So I just have to use the Morphe Continuous Mist. I'm gonna spray this guy on here. The first step that I do after I do all this, I do my eyebrows because, period, we gotta have them on fleek. For my eyebrow, I use the Ardell dark brown brow pomade. You know, a spoolie with a little brow thing. First things first, of course, gotta brush this. Gotta brush this guy right here, okay? I feel like I'm gonna be really uncomfortable. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, first things first, I'm gonna do one eyebrow and then do the other side. Skip through. Because you can only honestly probably just see this side. So yeah. So I, you know, like tap it on here to get some of the excess on there because we don't want to do too goddamn much because we don't want to be having some chalk eyebrows, right? Right! Then I brush it a little bit, you know, give it that little fade or whatever, you feel me? So I moved the camera up here because I'm trying to get the light right here so you can actually see what I'm doing. So next we conceal the brows, of course. Okay, this might actually work.
Adventures and adventurous and limitless. And the dollar's guilty, ain't never been innocent. Quick to ditch a bitch and never give her shit in it. If it ain't dividends, then shit, it's just irrelevant. I'm on my level lit, I'm richer than this bitch. Look at the bezel on my wrist, neck, and
next thing, we buff it out with this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. Best brush in the game, $3 right here. Buff this off. So next, I use the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. It's a foundation brush. I spray like some of this, spray the Morphe stuff on here. And then the foundation I use is the Born This Way, the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced, and this color is in Warm Sand. Feel me? And then, let me see how I want to do this. So just, I dot it.
Friends, I'm a champ. Young when I step in. Blessed, restless, and best at this. I can't miss Black Ops Zachary. FN, bet him, do backflips. Yes, man, I am who Rat is. Sloss and activist, raised on the back streets. Pack heat and went to jail for it, that's me. Pack heat again. built to win.
On next, we go back with the Born This Way multi-scoping concealer in the color Golden.
You better keep a thumper. Better get your bitch when she get bumped up. Cause there's some niggas in the building with a lump sum. Bada bang, super turned up. Designer got me looking like a comer. And you're looking like you're out. I feel like 100 in a duffer. A swag costs your house, your house. Ha. If you got one, you're out. I'm the top one. It's a marathon. Rad up and running. Mason Marcello's on. Bought a bag with a gun in it. And a stick on it. I'm from where you better keep it on ya.
Back at it again with the Born This Way multi-scoping concealer. Gotta get chestnut, you feel me?
Get it back and then you run it up. Don't run out, run it up. Stay burn it up, stay fly, aim high, don't dumb it up. Got my numbers up, I'm about to run it up. Bitches ain't adventurous and limitless. Limitless. Bitches ain't adventurous and limitless. And the dollar's guilty ain't never been innocent. Quick to ditch a bitch and never give her shit in it. If it ain't dividends, then shit, it's just irrelevant. I'm on my level lit, I'm richer than this bitch. Look at the bezel on my wrist, neck, and main bitch. Her and my whip flex and come from the same district. Speak the same language and knock the same bitches. We ain't the same, nigga. I'm really gang business. Lame niggas, we gon' strangle them and then we hang them. Aim where you niggas hanging at and get the ringing. Doorbells, 223s in your house. Gang, gang, wanna swag, bring more house. Gang, gang, chase bags, go all out. You ain't on the same page, then you're out. Stay dangerous, don't change in the courthouse. I'm from where you better keep a thumper. Better get your bitch.
So I use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Get it on my smooch.
Like 100 in a duffer. And my swag costs your house, your house. If you got one, say you a real nigga, then you not one. Live like I got a deal and I ain't got one. Still in top run, in a race. It's in my race, it's in my DNA to win. Remember they didn't wanna let me in. They wanna see me in that latest Benz. They wanna see me in they lady friends. I'm a champion when I step in. Blessed, restless, and best at this. I can't miss Black Ops accurate. FN, bet him, do backflips. Yes, man, I am who Rat is. Sloss an activist, raised on the back streets. Pack heat and went to jail for it, that's me. Pack heat again, built to win. Ain't no lacking me. I'm from where you better get your guapa. Better keep it on you or your top off. All work, all bite, no bark.
Next thing, so as we bake the cake on my face, we're going to use the eyeliner. We're gonna eyeliner. So this is the Too Faced Better Than the Birds and the Bees eyeliner. This one I'm gonna get kind of closer so you can see. So what I do is make a line right here. I actually might do an eyeliner tutorial, but line right here. Because I know some people do this and then go down. It sometimes works for me, but then I come here. Oh shit, you can't see. So I come here. Oh shit, my bad. I come here and then connect the bitch. Then I just color this in. Right, so line. Start from here. Connect. Do you see that? Connect, baby. Connect. I'm about to get into my lashes. Oh god. I definitely mattened up a little bit after. I'm about to put these lashes on. So So this is the eyelash that I use. This is the Kiss I Envy eyelashes in the style K152, and I really like these eyelashes a lot. They're fairly cheap. Like this one, I think is $5. It's $5. It's usually at, you know, your local beauty store. This is the I think 152 eyelash style, and then there's also the K 21 eyelash style that I like too. I use Salon Pro. I feel like I really shouldn't be using that, but look, nothing can keep my eyelashes to stay on longer than that. And then I get one of these. My mom has these little cotton tip like little sticks. I use the bottom part of it and dip it. I dip it. You put to get such a generous amount, and then just because it's easier for me to do this, right, than to oh Lord Jesus, you must fell off, bro, to get where I need to get on the eyelash. So if you see the mirror, because I have to, how I do it, get the mirror, look down at your eyelash. You feel me? You look down your eyelash and then put it on there. We gotta swipe some mascara on really fast, actually. I just realized that.
Leave more shells than La Barca. I'm from where you better keep a thumper. Better get your bitch when she get bumped up. Cause there's some niggas in the building with a lump sum. Bada bang, super turned up. Designer got me looking like a comer. And you're looking like.
So we might have to, yeah. We gotta do this eyelash again. I'm gonna see if, cause when I did this eyelash, this shit go, I did put mascara on, and like I said, this shit dries pretty fast, so.
I'm the top one. It's a marathon. Rad up and running. Mason Marcella's on. Bought a bag with a gun in it. And a stick on it.
Usually sometimes I might accidentally get a little bit of my eyeliner might come off. So like, so what I do is I go back. Go over that back. So next thing I do is my bottom eyelash line. So this is the Rimmel London Black Jet Eyeliner. I honestly need to get a new one because this shit is dry, but I use this. And then I have white eyeliner, but I use the bottom because, okay, I realized white eyeliner does not look good on me. Like, it makes me look bug-eyed, and I'm like, no, sister. I use that to smudge it a little bit. So I get this.
Bitch, you never give her shit in there. If it ain't dividends, then shit, it's just irrelevant. I'm on my level lit, I'm richer than this bitch. Look at the bezel on my wrist, neck, and main bitch. Her and my whip flex and come from the same district. Speak the same language and knock the same bitches. We ain't the same, nigga. I'm really gang business. Lame niggas, we gon' strangle them and then we hang them. Aim where you niggas hanging at and get the ringing. Doorbells, 223s in your house. Gang, gang, wanna swag, bring more house. Gang, gang, chase bags, go all out. You ain't on the same page, then.
And then I might just leave it like this, but I like adding like a pop of color under my eye, you know, to have some pizzazz. I'm going in with the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm just going into the color Ginger right here. Love this palette, by the way. I love you, Jackie. Oh my god, huge fan. I'm just using an E18 brush from Morphe to just go under here, and then I just.
A nigga, then you not one. Live like I got a deal and I ain't got one. Still in top run, in a race. It's in my race. It's in my DNA to win. Remember they didn't wanna let me in.
Hey. What is one of the little bullet brushes? So this little this M321 brush. I'm gonna use Soleil from this palette too, to, you know, pop that in the corner. Pop that in the corner a little bit. Cause you know we wanna have that. Pop that in the corner. Period. And I kind of bring it up a little bit because I'm not really wearing eyeshadow, so like I bring it up a little bit. We gotta pop some mascara.
Designer got me looking like a comer, and you're looking like you're out. I feel like 100 in a duffer. A swag costs your house, your house.
So the bronzer that I use is the BECCA Sunlight bronzer in the bronzed Bondi, I guess shade. So of course we have to go back when I contoured again, which is here. Bring that up.
I'm from where you better keep it on ya. I'm from where you better get an onion. Flip it and you better get your money up, Nick, or you're out. Run it up and get it back and then you run it up. Don't run out.
Find my highlighter brush, so I've been kind of using. This is not a highlight brush, but I've been using the M330 brush for my highlight for the moment. Nose area here, flick it a little bit, get that little shimmer going. You know, bring it down ever so softly because we don't want it too crazy. And then the cheek area. Because this is not exactly a highlighter brush, I have to kind of go back and buff it out a little bit. I just got the makeup off my lips, so get right here, right to your lip. So that's done, and then the last thing that I do is I just pop some gloss, of course. I use this brown liner. I just got it from a random beauty supply store, and then
house, gang, wanna swag, bring more house. Gang, chase bags, go all out. You ain't on the same page, then you're out. Stay dangerous, don't change in the courthouse. I'm from where you better keep a thumper. Better get your bitch when she get bumped up.
And then NYX butter gloss and tiramisu. Swag costs your house, if you got one. Say you a real nigga, then you not one. Live like I got a deal and I ain't got one. And then we're done, and then we just finish off with the Morphe Continuous Mist.
Yeah, when I step in, blessed, restless, and best at this. I can't miss Black Ops Zachary.
FM. My everyday makeup look. Catfish 101. I'm definitely a whole new person after. Some things I didn't realize that the moisturizer I used because I had ran out of it. So like it was kind of oily, so I should have I usually sometimes put translucent powder on my face before I go in with my foundation, but because the weather is changing and it's been kind of colder, my skin's been a little drier, but it was looking hella oily, so I might have used that. But for now, I mean, it looks pretty matte right now, so it's fine, I guess. We'll see. I'm probably gonna get oily, honestly. But yeah, this is just my simple everyday makeup look, you know, lashes, eyeliner, foundation, all that, you feel me? The whole nine, you dig? So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and also press that bell button so you know when I post. So bye everyone, have a great day.
They dead on my raps with the facts, and they sat with the bars.